Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my October crochet favourites. So I'm going to be talking about yarn that I love, projects that I've been loving, and also accounts I've been loving. And one of the most important things is I'll be announcing the winner of the giveaway for BCC Oct 18, which I run every month on Instagram. So stay tuned to find out who is the winner for that. First of all, I'm going to start with yarn that I have been loving. Now the reason I say loving is because I haven't actually used any of this yarn which I'm going to talk about yet, but it's things that I've received which I really like the look of and really can't wait to get stuck into. So the first thing is this Stylecraft colour pool yarn. Colour pooling is something that I haven't actually tried yet, but it's fascinated me for a long time. If you don't know what colour pooling is, it's basically using a variegated yarn, but it's designed in a certain way so that when you actually crochet it up, it will create its own design. And it's just really pretty. So this actually comes with a pattern on the band, which again I think is a really cool idea. So the yarn itself actually feels really nice and really soft. It is acrylic yarn, 100% acrylic, and I can't actually see what it says it is, but I'm pretty sure that it's a DK. And it is 200 grams. So I'll leave a link in the description box below to the Stylecraft website so you can go and check out the stockist for this. But yeah, I really love the thought of these yarns and the colour pooling. The next yarn which I was kindly sent is from Wool Couture, and it's this fat yarn, I believe it's called. Again, I'll leave the links in the description box below. But they have sent me 3 gorgeous colours. I mean, how nice are they? I think I'm going to make like a geometric type blanket with these. I think it would be really cute. I love the colours, I love the feel of it. It's just super nice. Like I said, not actually used it yet, but I am looking forward to using this. So one of my favourite projects this month has been these little pumpkins. They are so cute and easily adaptable for size. I'll leave a link to the video in the description box below, but they are just super lovely. They look really effective and I love them in these kind of colours. As always, I think I'm very predictable with the types of colours that I love. For this, I used the Debbie Bliss Cashmerino Aran. Somebody pointed out in the video that it is fairly expensive for what you are getting, or expensive to just kind of make pumpkins, but I really wanted to use these because these are just beautiful colours and that was just what I chose. But obviously you can use any yarn that you want for that particular project, but the Debbie Bliss Cashmerino is just so beautiful and it comes in the most divine colours. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. So before I move on to some accounts that I'm loving, I just want to talk about my website. If you follow me on social media, like on Facebook, on Instagram, Twitter, that kind of thing, if you're not already, then you should. But I've had a bit of a nightmare with my website. It was ready to go live. I'd spent quite a long time on it, weeks and weeks, building this website. It was ready to go, and then a couple of hours before there was a problem with the domain. I thought it was going to be resolved quite quickly, but it ended up taking a further 3 weeks just to do that, which was a bit of a nightmare. Then it went live again, but again I've been having a few teething problems with it, the speed and just the usability of it as well. So I'm currently working on that. If you want to go and have a look, you can do. It's www.bellacococrochet.com, but just bear in mind that it is a little bit slow at the moment just because of the way that it's running. But all of these things I am working on. If you have any feedback of how you are using the site, if you like it, if you don't like it, just leave me a comment. If there is something that you don't like about it though, or isn't working properly, it's really helpful for me to know exactly what it is, why you don't like it, and also what device you're using as well. That really helps me out to understand why something might not be working for you. So yeah, go check it out. fingers crossed it will be still live. I might have to take it down for a little bit again just to make those tweaks and to change things around a little bit, but I really do hope that you enjoy it and it makes finding projects a little bit easier for you. Also bear in mind that I'm going to be adding more content on there, so it's just me doing everything. There's only so much I can do, so I've tried to put as much content on there as possible, and I will be adding more and more to it as time goes along. Okay, so on to my favourite accounts which I've been loving this month, and the first one is Caitlyn from Granny Pearl. She just has a really beautiful feed. It's light and bright, really kind of modern style projects, and it's just really cute. She does a bit of crochet and a bit of knitting as well, so go and check her out. And the next one is the lovely Jen at Crochet Shop. It's 2 O's in crochet, so I'm presuming you still pronounce it the same, but I'll leave a link down below anyway so you can go and check it out. But she does the most amazing amigurumi little things, like little animals. Oh, just so cute. So go and check out both of those accounts. And then finally, the winner of BCC Oct 18 is Colour Crafts by Claire. She's actually submitted a couple of projects. So she did the pumpkin, and then she's also done a few V-stitch cows as well. So her feed is lovely. Go and check that out. But congratulations to you, Claire. I'll be in touch via Instagram shortly, and I will choose something which I think you will like and get it sent out to you as a thank you for following my tutorials. And if you want to be in with a chance of winning next month, all you have to do is whenever you have used my tutorials for one of your projects and you post it on Instagram, use the hashtag BCCNove18. I'll leave it here so that you can see it, but leave that hashtag on the photograph, maybe tag me in it as well, and I'll be able to have a look through all of those, through that hashtag, and choose a winner for next month. It will just be a little something to say thank you. I'll basically look through your feed and choose something that I think you might like and send it out to you just as a little thank you. So there we go. They are my October favourites. I really hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to keep up to date with all of my latest videos. We are so close to hitting 500,000 subscribers, so if you enjoy my videos, please share with your friends. If you haven't subscribed already, then please do. It'd be amazing to hit 500,000 by Christmas. But thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you again in my next video. Bye!